Hi there! This report was made to solve a big, historic problem this plant had been facing when calculating overfilling. To go over it quickly, imagine you have to fill a 200 ml bottle. You definitely don't want to put less than 200 ml, so you probably put a bit more. And everything that's over 200 ml is overfill, okay? The plant had two problems. The first, they were not being able to handle the volume of data generated. With the production weightings generating 60,000 rows of data per month and management done with Excel sheets. So I went back to the SQL that generated this information in the first place and stripped every useless data from the table. Then I started grouping the information, which reduced the database from more than a million rows to less than 20,000 rows. Okay, now we can manage the quantity, but there was another big problem. Every production has one ID for product, which is how we get information for that weighting. Every production except the ones from one technology. This one technology sums up the information of its main components and the other small components that come in the package. Each of them has an overfill that varies in their own way, so it's not simple to ignore the weights of some of them. Systematically, it was impossible for the data to be separated. At first, it seemed to be a very complex problem, but after a quick chat with the plant personnel, I found out that they don't care at all for the overfilling of small components. So I went back to the SQL and made it ignore weightings from that component. And there it is, an analysis fully functional, solving two big historic problems for them in this simple report. In the report, they can analyze their losses in money, weight, percentage, and have several visuals that help them isolate their problem to find priorities and quick wins. If you have any doubts about this report or you simply want to know more, do contact me.